Hi, David Adler here for milestone number 3. So I've added a lot of CSS to all the web pages. I put links in every single web page. So for this time around, I've made all 6 of my pages to put in all the links. But to start, as always, my citations in all of the code. I put in the navigation bar in every single one of the web pages, so you can navigate back and forth to each and every single one, just to have one consistent thing across all the pages. Other than that, I put an article class card for the images, for the About Me page, the home page. Other than that, not much changed about this. For hobbies, not much change. Just a link, important events. So important events and places I've been will be done at a later date. I've put in all the code that I want to. I just need to fill in, stuff about me, the important events, filling out information about me and my important events and the places that I've been in my life. But other than that, the code is pretty much done for them. Same with places I've been, things to share. I've added on the nav bar. I've added on one more fun fact that I think you'd like, because my first car was a Corvette. For worldview, I put in a blink to make this text right here, Omnism Worldview, come in and out of view at the top left. Here's the style for that blink. Navigation bar, I put in an image, article class card. So let's show you how that looks. So this is page 1. Everything looks a bit different. All of these work. Hobbies, things to share, places I've been, important events, worldview, and I will be adding on to worldview, places I've been, and things to share more. Just filling out information, putting in more text, for the milestone CSS code, I used some CSS from the Corvette website, and I've used some CSS from the activity 3s and 2s in class, activity 2 and 3, and I've tweaked all of them. I've put in different text. I've done a whole bunch of different things. I put in a flexbox to this. So, yeah, that is my presentation.